Day 9 of building a marketing system for home service businesses that will help them add 2 to 10 new clients every single month on autopilot. And today we're focusing on how to use hashtags to find your ideal clients. Hashtags aren't just for getting views. They are powerful tools in finding and connecting with the right audience that you want to work with. By using them strategically, you can find them, engage with them, build relationship, and even find businesses to collaborate with in your area. Today, I'm searching hashtags on various social media channels where I'll be using those hashtags to find an ideal client for my business and also for a home service business. This means looking for hashtags that are tied to a specific type of niche, services, post, life events, or anything that is related to my target audience or your target audience. Once I find these spaces, the goal is to engage and interact with those content that you find on those hashtags. Once I find these spaces, the next step is to engage, like, comment, and start meaningful conversations so that we can start building relationship with the type of client that we want to work with. If you want to learn how to find and engage with your audience using hashtags, click the link below and join my private community where I will be sharing step-by-step guide on how you can do this by yourself. Tomorrow, we're focusing on direct messages and how you can use DMs to start building relationships and also start closing clients through social media. Thank you for watching. See you then.